Okay, a quick what's in the box for our XPel armour decals for the wheels. These are for the all-terrain Cybertruck wheels. So in each pack you get a double-sided squeegee, and then you get 4 sets of these. So on each wheel it's 7 segments per wheel. These are easy to apply. They're essentially the same as our other decals that we have for the truck bed, the wheel flares, and we'll have some more stuff coming as well. So this really just complements those. But what we're going to do now is going to go out to the truck outside, install it out there. It's just easier from a lighting perspective, black on black, and you'll see how easy these are to apply. Okay, so here we are on the front driver's side wheel. I have my decals here. So the way I prefer to do it is start at the top, do kind of 3 at the top, and then turn the wheel around. It's just easier because we're going to use this curve here to get your eye in and get it leveled out. So it's kind of straightforward when you're looking down on it, less straightforward when you're looking up on it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to peel off the first one. And as I mentioned, this is where I'm looking. So I'm just going to place it. Once I've got this placed, I'm going to sort of describe it to you a bit better so you know what you're looking for. You can see how easy it is. Oops. So I'm not, as you can tell, I'm not applying any pressure just yet because I want to make sure it's in the right spot. But once I'm happy with it, we'll sort of finalize it with the squeegee. So the things you want to look for, now that this one's placed, you don't want to be able to feel the edge of the decal when you're sort of rolling your finger over. You want the radius on all of these kind of corners on the wheel to still be visible. And then this is covering the flat surface. So same thing down here as well. You don't want to be able to snag it with your finger as you're sort of pulling over, and you're just looking for symmetry. Now you can see here it's further this way than it is that way, so I'm actually going to reposition that. But that's the basic approach to all of these. So if you need to peel it off, then just go ahead and do that. I'm just going to line up a bit better, bring that down, and then if you're happy with it, just kind of use the squeegee just to make sure you're applying firm, even pressure all over. Okay, we'll keep going with the next one. The wheel is clean, just washed the truck, we're getting ready to wrap it again. So do make sure that your wheels are clean, of course, especially of any brake dust, other mud, dirt, but also any kind of wheel treatments as well. We need the armour to stick, so we don't want anything to inhibit that. And any of those wheel treatments, tyre treatments, they have an element of grease or oil to them. So that will mean that obviously they're going to inhibit the adhesive a little bit, so we don't want that. Okay, I'm going to do one more before I spin the wheel around a little bit. It's quite windy out here today. So we'll get this one done. Okay, so last reminder, just check all the edges, make sure you can't snag them with your hand as you run them over. And if you're good, then let's roll forward a little bit, get these other 4 done. Okay, carrying on. I could have gone a bit further. I really couldn't tell how far it was. So when you roll your truck forward, I guess go for about 1 yard or 1 meter to sort of half rotate the wheel. Someone better than math can probably figure out the exact distance. But I think you get the idea now. Very easy to do. If you get it wrong, just peel it off and try again. But these are a great complement for the other stuff we're doing for the exterior. So maybe on one of the cameras you can see the wheel flares just come out a little bit for a second. So these have the armor treatment on them. Look fantastic. Really gives a premium feel. It's quite surprising. And then we have the truck bed surround as well. I'll flash up a photo of that. But certainly for the wheels, obviously not a necessary thing. It doesn't add necessarily to the protection or the resilience of the wheels, but it does kind of just pull that sort of all-road look a little bit, especially if you have some of our other armour products on your truck. I'm rushing through these. I should probably get in the truck again and roll it forward another couple of feet, but for the sake of expediency I'm not going to. But hopefully you can see the whole goal here is just to cover the flat face of the wheel, not the radius or not the bendy bits, the turns. So as long as you can't sort of feel the armour once it's on with your fingers, then your alignment is good. Last one. This one's going to be a bit tricky. I'm going to sort of get upside down. It should look fantastic on camera. Sorry if you can't see anything. It'll just be a minute. Let's bring that one down. Try that again. I'm feeling some slip on this one, so because I just washed the truck, I did use some stuff to sort of dress the tyres, so I'm going to have to keep an eye on that. But when you're happy, just kind of go over each of them, especially with flat surface, go down each of the legs with your squeegee, and then you're done. In terms of long-term care, avoid driving through anything too biblical for the next day or so, just to let the adhesive settle properly. But after that you're fine. I would imagine even car washes are fine. I just jet washed this with a couple of these in place and no issues at all. There you have it. Thank you for watching.